All right, welcome to June 2018 on Spray Paint Art Secrets. This month we've got some really cool stuff for you. Check out these spaceships flying over these really intricate cities and the galaxy in the background. Well, we're going to do all that in just like 15 minutes, and you can learn how using all these spray paint art techniques. So if you've never encountered our lessons before, go to spraypaintartsecrets.com and you can get yourself a free lesson and free materials list. And then go check out the monthly content, because that's where we're going to have our previews. So you can see sort of some of the cool things that we're doing that month. And there's all kinds of fun effects. I like going to dollar stores or department stores and finding unusual things that work as stencils. So here I'm showing you how I used a strainer to make all kinds of city lights, and of course how to make comets with paper, how to make spaceships and cities and galaxies and all kinds of stuff. So just check out all these effects and imagine what you might use them for. And then we're going to go over how to make a Saturn stencil. So if you want to make Saturn rings, there's a couple ways that you can go about it, but one of the ways is by using a stencil. So I'm just going to go over how you create that and how you cut it out. And then we're going to use it in a painting that also uses just a bunch of stencils that I found here and there to make the planet. If you want to add a little extra pizzazz or texture to your planet, make it unexpected, playing with stencils is a fun way to do that. So I'm going to show how I did that in this painting, and there's just a million ways of doing it, but this should give you some good inspiration. And then we'll go into making cosmic cities and working with the spatula, creating a grid, light shining in the sky, and just all the fun cosmic effects that make spray paint art special, make it pop, make it this fun fantasy art. So I don't know what kind of artist you might be, but there's probably something in here that you could apply. Some kind of trick or something unexpected, like in this painting, for example. The way that we did the splash of the wave, that's an interesting secret that we're going to show you in this video in the Spray Paint Art Secrets membership area. So this painting is sort of an improvisational space wave, and it's a lot of fun to do. And once you watch this video, you'll understand how to create these really realistic looking waves and cosmic effects in just minutes using these techniques. And you'll be able to add just that extra bit of sparkle to your own work. And then we're going to work on spray paint art body painting, which is a new experiment that we're doing. Just going to give you a little taste of it. In Costa Rica, Paloma and I were working on filming these body painting videos, and it's our first experiment with it, and we did pretty well. So in this, we're going to show you how we did this jungle with body paint on our friend. So if you have any questions, my name is Elisa Amor, and you can contact me at spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com, and visit spraypaintartsecrets.com and get yourself a free lesson and check out the monthly content. See you inside. Ciao.